We just witnessed the most important week in AI history since the launch of ChatGPT. For years, we have been chatting with AI. This week, that ended. We just entered the agent era. OpenAI just launched a command center that manages the entire fleet of AI workers, while Anthropic's new Claude Opus 4.6 just planned a mission on the surface of Mars. We aren't talking about text generators anymore. We are talking about autonomous system that can think, build and navigate the physical world. First up, the OpenAI's Codex App for macOS. This isn't just an update to a model. It's a total overhaul of the software engineering workflow. The core problem with AI coding until now has been context switching, which means you ask for a feature, wait, check the code, then ask for a test. Codex changes this with multi-agent parallelism. Think of it like this. Instead of one intern, you have a room of senior developers. Using a feature called isolated work trees, Codex can spawn 5 different agents to work on 5 different parts of your code at the same time. One builds the UI, one writes the API, and another hunts for bugs. Because they are isolated work trees, they never trip over each other's code. To show this off, OpenAI gave Codex a simple massive prompt to build a 3D kart racer called Voxel Velocity. Codex didn't just write the script. It used an image generation skill to create the textures, a web development skill to build the engine, and then it literally played the game as a QA tester to find out where it was lagging. It processed over 7 million tokens to finish this project. This is a level of autonomy we have never seen. With automations, you can tell Codex to triage my GitHub issues every morning at 9 AM and propose a fix, and it does it in the background while your computer is asleep. While OpenAI is building the best worker, Anthropic just built the world's best thinker. Meet Claude Opus 4.6. The most attractive feature of this model is the 1 million token title. Let's talk about the context window. 1 million tokens is roughly 750,000 words. You can drop a 50-year archive of company legal records or a 100,000 line code base into a single prompt. But here is the truth bomb. Most models hallucinate or forget things when the prompt gets that long. Anthropic's new MRCR v2 benchmark shows Opus 4.6 has a 76% recall rate at 1 million tokens. That's a massive jump from the previous 18%. If you want proof of reliability, look at NASA. Engineers at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory just used Claude to plan routes for the Perseverance rover on Mars. Because of the 20-minute communication delay to Mars, rovers usually need slow manual human planning. But Claude analyzed high-resolution orbital imagery, identified hazards like bedrock and sand ripples, and generated a 400-meter path through rugged terrain. It even wrote the commands in rover markup language. NASA's team ran the AI's plan through a simulation of 500,000 variables and found it was nearly perfect. Anthropic is doubling down on the expert niche. They have integrated Opus 4.6 into Microsoft Foundry, allowing it to generate expert-level financial reports and spreadsheets that are indistinguishable from a human analyst's work. It even scored 90.2% on the Big Law benchmark, making it officially better at legal reasoning than many junior associates. So here is the bottom line. OpenAI Codex is for builders. If you want to orchestrate a team and ship products fast, download the macOS app today. It's free for a limited time. Claude Opus 4.6 is for architects. If you need a high-stake reasoning, massive data analysis, or navigating a robot on another planet, Claude is your king. The gap between human intelligence and machine agency just got a lot smaller. Which side are you on? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for your daily dose of the future. I'll see you in the next one.